Hey guys, welcome to the wrap-up. So starting with our Paracord Planet news, we had 4 videos come out in the last couple weeks. We had a week of pet-related projects where we did a leash and a collar tutorial. So if you have a furry friend, make sure to check those out. Over the last week, we had 2 other videos come out on YouTube. One was a tutorial for a paracord cactus, and then the other one was a Game of Thrones themed bracelet in the style of House Targaryen. So if you're interested in those, be sure to give them a watch. We've had 2 new blog posts come out since our last wrap-up. One of them explaining uses of cordless paracord, and the other one explaining how you can incorporate paracord and rope into any hobby. So whatever you're into, there's a use for paracord and rope, and we want to help you find it. Those can be found on our website. Our Paracord highlight for this week is Rocker Gaming. He released a new YouTube video showing how to sleeve Gamecube controllers with paracord. He also has a Paracord Planet coupon code for his viewers. So if you're interested in that video and that coupon code, you can find the link to that in the description of this video. Our Paracord Spotlight this week is on Operation Gratitude. Operation Gratitude creates care packages to deliver to service members, and one of the things they include in those care packages are paracord survival bracelets. So if you're interested in creating some of those bracelets and donating them, check our description for a link out to their website. And now for what we wrapped. We made this cat scratching post. We covered an old spool from the warehouse in some rope, and now cats are really going to enjoy putting their claws into it. It's going to be a good time. So, what we're going to wrap next time, it's not down there, that was misleading. It's over here, this clay pot, we're going to wrap it in paracord, and then we're also doing some macrame stuff next week, so we'll do a tutorial on how to make a nice clay pot holder. I hope you guys enjoy that, and we'll see you next time. But that might also be completely not related to this pot that we're going to wrap. It's related, but yeah. I'm just rambling. I was hoping I would think of something constructive.
How about other, like, verbiage?
Wink.